is like watching the Nature Channel when there's two stud deer fighting for, you know, mating rights or whatever.
Hold on, I can't see you guys.
I'm all sandy.
You're a panda. Pandas get sandy. I didn't say you're a pansy, I said you're a panda. Getting sandy. Not a panda.
I'm all sandy. Get a...
Doesn't matter that much.
I can't tell. Are you guys seeing it?
That was the takedown part. Who's getting dethroned?
Hey, Danica.
I'm getting dead off my neck.
Kidney shot!
Kidney shot.
Can you do a victory dance?
I can't wait till you get old.